So this is the US 30 analysis for Monday the 11th of December. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices and where they might likely go. So we've had our most recent highs here in around this 532 or so, 534. And we've had prices come down, post a lower high just there. We've broken down, we didn't quite get down to that 24,071. We've retraced upwards, and now we've actually had a test of the 24,071. We saw buy side momentum come into the market, and we did have a slight reaction to this to 24,238, and we've had this continuation upwards. Now, I suppose we're outside normal market hours, so we do have these smaller candles, which do appear to make this move to the upside appear weak. But overall, we do seem to be trending upwards. So potentially we'll be looking to target our most recent highs in around as 24,532, but the strong level that we are looking at is in around as 24,550. Now, if we do break above 24,550, we'll be looking to target before we get up to the very next major level at 24,830. We'll see our price direct to 24,600 and 24,700. Now, the volatility in the market has fallen quite a bit from earlier in the month. Earlier in the month, we did see a strong move to the upside, but now market volatility is falling back down to normal levels. So I can't anticipate prices possibly getting up to 24,650 unless we do have a news catalyst. I'd expect the far end of the range to be in around that. Let's just see, far end of the range possibly being around at 24,600, depending on market volatility. If, however, we do see a breakdown, say this trend it does turn out to be weak, we do see a breakdown, we'll be looking to see our prices react to 24,238. If we do successfully navigate there, we have to be aware of the 200 period moving average just here in blue. If we do break from the 200 period moving average, we'll be looking to see our prices react to this horizontal level of 24,071, where we do form a bit of a double bottom and then see a further move upwards. Or if we do break from the 24,071, the very next level we'll be looking for is in and around, bear with me a second, is in around that, I'd probably say 24,000 before looking at 24,900. Now, I'd expect 24,000 to be the far end of the range, especially in light of the falling the volatility which has fallen on the US 30 as of late. We might see a lot more volatility come into the market the closer we get to the Fed meeting and subsequent rate decision. So we'll likely see volatility pick up after the announcement, or possibly just before, as the traders make readjustments. Now, we've mentioned levels to the upside and to the downside, so what we'll do now is look at the daily time frame. So on this daily time frame, let's get these right actually. So on this daily time frame, we can see here we've had this somewhat pin bar. It wasn't a bearish pin bar. We've had a follow through there, but as we can see, it was merely a retracement. We've had two consecutive bullish days, and we do look poised for a third. Usually with reversals, usually you see breakdowns. You don't see retracements as steep as this one here. So we do look poised for further continuation and retest of those previous highs before looking for targets beyond. And let's get it correct. So if we have a look at it here on the charts, like I was saying, it looks like a bit of a pullback as we've had that strong move out of the pullback. We have not seen the strong continuation symptomatic of reversals. Instead, we do look, this does increasingly like a bit of a pullback before we test the previous highs. Overall, though, the trend is pretty clear. It is to the upside on the US 30. We've had periods of consolidation, but the most of the movements on the US 30 over the past 12 months or so has been to the upside. So long opportunities are somewhat more profitable for long bias traders. Shorting this market would have been quite difficult. So yeah, I think that should wrap up everything actually. So there isn't any other. There isn't anything else. I think everything has been covered here on the US 30. And with that said, thanks for watching.